Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am your host Yanika, speaking about traveling and positivity into life. This is the last video of this year, 2020. Yes, it's the Christmas season and I decided to make a special video which contains a travel review, normally like I did last year. But this year, unfortunately, due to the pandemic situation, I didn't travel that much. But I decided to make a review for my YouTube channel and what videos I uploaded instead of traveling and adventure. Yes, I still went on adventures, I still shared them with you, but I also made new videos for you, like tips and tricks about traveling. I want to thank you all for the new subscribers that I got this year. It means a lot to me. It means that you are very supportive and I appreciate you being here. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you are still new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate your subscribe because it means a lot and it helps me a lot to continue doing these videos for travel and adventure and sharing tips with you about the travels. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And make sure that the notification bell you hit the all notifications so you would see all the videos that I publish every week. As this is the last video of this year, 2020, I want to wish you a very happy season during this time, wherever you are in the world. And as I said, I will be showing you all the videos that I did this year, so keep watching until the end. Mentioning first of all, I traveled once this year. Yes, if you are following and subscribed to this channel and have watched the videos or followed me on Instagram, you could see that I traveled in November for my birthday. Yes, it was a very good adventure, a solo trip in the north of Portugal. So make sure to watch the videos that I already published and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you could see the upcoming videos. Yes, I still have a lot of videos coming for you to share this adventure that I had in Portugal. So make sure to watch them all. So now, about Portugal, I will be mentioning this at the very end of my video, of this video. Now I will be telling you what videos I have started this year and continued constantly to keep this channel active for you to watch. Hopefully that this is an inspirational channel and shows you and teach you about traveling and tips from my perspective. First video of this year was the carnival in Malta and Gozo. Yes, I went on a trip. Normally every year I go to see the carnival, how it is celebrated here in Malta. And this year I decided to show you how carnival is celebrated in Malta and Gozo. So it was a very good video starting up this year, how carnival is celebrated here in Malta. So make sure if you haven't watched that video, go and check it out. After the carnival video, I did a video 20 things about me. I wanted to share this with you because a lot of people were new to this channel and a lot of people didn't know me very well. So I wanted to share 20 things about me. So if you haven't seen that video and you don't know me very well, this video is right good for you to get to know me a bit personal. So there are 20 things about me that I shared with you in this video. So make sure to go and check that out. After that video, because it was in the beginning of the year, about February, then the lockdown hit in the country and all over the world. So I did some videos about the situation and the pandemic, how to deal with stress, how I was spending my time during the lockdown, how I think the situation here in Malta was doing. So yes, I did a series about that situation and how I spent my time during the COVID pandemic situation in 2020. So make sure, if you haven't seen those videos, make sure to check them out, how I spent my lockdown here in Malta. And if you have watched all these videos, I am sure that you knew that I spent a lot of time with my lovely grandma. Yes, she was a supportive, and she is a supportive on this channel. She watches all this video. So I thank her from the bottom of my heart, and she accepted to make a video with me this year, that we cook a very nice corned beef pie, and we made a video together. And thank you to her. The dish was very lovely. And this dish, normally, I'll take it with me on travels. So, me and my grandmother showed you how we cooked this corned beef pie, and I take it mostly often to travels for snacks during the flight. So make sure to check that video, and I will thank my grandmother here again that she supports me a lot and watch these videos and share also these videos with people for this channel. So make sure to check out our cooking together with my grandma during the lockdown of this year. Since I had a lot of time for editing at home, I made 2 special videos, 2 cinematic videos, films, that I shared and produced during this time. Yes, they were shot before, but I didn't have time to edit them and share them with you. But at that moment, at that period, I had a lot of time for editing, and it was the right time to share it with you. I produced 2 cinematic films, one from Malta, my own travel home, so it was an amazing video, so you should check it out, especially if you are Maltese, obviously, and if you are not Maltese, you can watch it as well. Because if you are interested to visit Malta, you could see this beautiful scenery of this island. And I also produced a Norway cinematic video, which I was traveling there last year, and it was a very fantastic, scenic Norway, and I did it in a cinematic film on this channel to share it with you. So you should check it out, the beautiful views of Norway in that video. And there was the time this summer that I shared a lot of videos of traveling. Travel tips like budget traveling, how to save money, travel destinations, and many more. Yes, they were a series that I really enjoyed doing this summer. It was very constant, and I enjoyed sharing these tips from my perspective with you. If you haven't checked them out yet, you can go and check them on my channel, and you could take some tips from them. So make sure to check them out. I also, in this series, I liked collaborating with people and other YouTubers and other travelers that collaborated with me to do such videos. So it was an amazing thing collaborating with them. I also did technical videos, such as what cameras do I use, how I film my videos, how do I take the photos for Instagram, how I edit my photos, and how I choose the music for these videos that I do. Yes, everything has its technical thing, everything has its artistic way, so I wanted to share with you, to teach you how I do those things. It takes a lot of time to produce those videos, and I wanted to share them with you, how I do them. And hopefully that you already watched them, and if you haven't, don't forget to check them out. I am sure that you will take something from them and teach you something how I do my things. And you can adapt on your photos, or if you are a creator doing videos, or else if you want to do something creative, these will inspire you to get started. Another video that it was fun doing is the Q&A. Yes, I enjoyed doing the Q&A. You asked me a lot of questions from Instagram, from YouTube comments, or from the Facebook page. I enjoyed receiving those questions from you. So hopefully I will do another one next year. Hopefully. So So stay tuned and keep watching these videos, so I will alert you when you ask me the questions and I will answer the answers for those questions. But yes, it was a very fun video that I did of those questions, and there were a bit difficult questions, but I enjoyed doing these. So thank you for asking those questions, and it was a fun video to do with this Q&A for traveling and adventure. As I had spent, after the lockdown, a lot of time in Malta, I considered exploring some areas that I hadn't visited before. So I was publishing videos from Malta and Gozo, and still went on these short day trips and adventures and shared them with you from this country that I am from and I live at the moment. So yes, I hope you enjoy those kind of videos as well, sharing with you my exploring in my own country, in this small island, which is very beautiful to see, exploring areas that I didn't know. Yes, sometimes there are parts of our own country that we don't visit, so it was the right time to explore those kind of areas in this time of year. After those exploration, I decided to travel. Yes, in November I decided to travel for my birthday. As a lot of you know, if you are following me on Instagram, Facebook page and YouTube, and I have been sharing already the videos, some of them, because a lot more are coming. Yes, I missed traveling a lot, and it was a year later that I decided to travel and it is still during this pandemic, so I still decided to travel. I wanted to go somewhere else because Malta was still in the same situation, so every country was in the same situation. So I decided to go to Portugal because it was the easiest destination to go. There was a little bit less restrictions at that time of year, and I decided to go to Portugal. There was no quarantine. I still had to do the COVID test, but yes, Portugal was an interesting place to visit. I have showed you a lot of videos already, and there are a lot of coming in the beginning of next year, 2021, because I am still editing all those videos. So make sure to check them out. It was a really nice adventure, and renting a car, which was a bit of a problem at the beginning, but it was fun. I've been to cities, which it was a limited time because I wanted to avoid cities because of the people and the situation, and I went a lot to mountains. Yes, they were very beautiful, exploring the mountains, exploring those areas with very nice views. So make sure to check them out, those videos that are coming soon. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and make sure to hit the notification for all, so you choose to see all the videos that are published and you don't miss one of them, because it will be an interesting adventure that you should see. So thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this special video, this last video of 2020. And I want one thing from you now. Let me know in the comments which kind of videos did you like? What is the video that you like most this year of 2020? Make sure to leave it in the comments below. I want to hear from you which videos, exploring Malta, exploring Portugal, the adventure, the travel tips, or the technical videos that I did, or else when I was in the situation of the lockdown. Which videos did you like most? Let me know in the comments below. I would be very happy to hear from you, and I would be happy that you have seen this video, that it will make me very happy to end this video this year for 2020, and looking forward for 2021 to more travels and to meet you, hopefully in person. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a comment below so I would know that you were here. Thank you for hanging out. Lots of love. Wish you all the best. Take care, stay safe, and Ciao ciao! See you soon!